What's up, everybody? Yellow Gorilla here. I'm going to do part 3 of the install for the Hellcat headlight intake modification. Here is the last part. It is the Merrick Motorsports air intake tubes, the little rings that go for it. I got them custom matched to my paint color, and I think those ones look a little bit better because the stuff, some of the other anodized ones didn't 100% match mine, but they still. Remove before flight keychain, pretty awesome, and it's sewn, and it's very nice. That'll go on. Merrick Motorsports, big thumbs up. Like I said, if you want to go right there, Merrick Motorsports. There's the man right there, Mr. Todd Merrick. Any questions, go and email him. Products are absolutely amazing. Another decal. Another decal. And there you go, instructions and everything. See if I can do this one-handed or not. They weren't going to go and move around or anything. And I see some cups. There's one. There's two. And when I first saw that, it scared the bejesus out of me because I'm like, I just ordered 2 cups. And he puts them in there to go and protect them. And they look absolutely awesome. There's both of them right here. My paint color code is PVP Go Mango. And they are actually wedging it pretty good. One. And like I said, it has a rubber or a silicone ring around it, and I'll show you here in a quick second. That's ingenious. That's a very smart idea. I never would in a million years would have thought about that. Like I said, right there. Merrick Motorsports. Huge thanks to him. Definitely going to be a big time customer of his. The work is absolutely awesome. See if I can try to get in there and show you as best as I can, but the paint is absolutely awesome. Like I said, he's just absolutely spot on. Like I said right there, I mean, it is super thick. That's at least 4 ply, so absolutely awesome. So like I like to say, huge thanks out to Todd Merrick. Super nice guy, awesome product, and I do understand there might be some other products that he's making. I'm gonna let him go and tell you guys about that, but like I said, super nice guy, great company, super fast shipping, especially they were custom painted. After I ordered, it was about 4 or 5 days, and here he shipped it, so super happy. And we're gonna put these on the car here in a little bit. Alright guys, we're back out to the car now, and as you could tell, just with them up against my car, it is a dead spot on match, both of them. Like I said, I'm extremely happy. Gonna go over the first part again. If you've never done this before and you do want to get these, it's extremely easy. All you gotta do is reach down inside here, focus in a little bit. Like I said, that's all it is right there. It's a little teeny tiny tab. And this is what she looks like right there. Like I said, you can see all the way in there. Just want to go and get that nice and clean. Just some soap and water, that's all it is. It's not gonna hurt nothing. Get it all nice and clean. Focus, there we go. This side's already done. Like I said, this is a brand new car, so it's not dirty or anything. Yesterday, it was around 78 degrees, and it's about 35 right now. So pretty much here in the spring, we have every season. Within about a week of each other. Like I said, it doesn't take much. Just go around a little bit. Basically, just make sure everything's good on it. Sorry about the wind. I'm gonna try to hurry up as fast as I can because my hands are literally frozen. And literally all you do is just slide it off. And just push it as evenly in as you can. And there she is right there. It's nice and it's flush. It's not going anywhere. Okay. Now slide over here and we'll get the other one real quick. Like I say, you just go and you just make sure it's nice and even, and then you just start going pushing it in, and it'll eventually go and seat itself. Just like it. Like I said, you don't have to force it, it just goes right in, looks like that. Alright, like I said, that's the way she looks. That's the way she looks over there. Do another quick part. Seems like everything all buttoned up. Well guys, there it is, all done. I think it turned out absolutely awesome. I couldn't be more happier with it. If people are worried that if you're not going to use the intake mod for there and you're worried about air getting up into it, the right side, you don't have to worry about anything. If you're using the stock air box, it'll just hit inside where the air box is and all the water will go down. It's not going to hurt anything. On the left hand side, it does go into the engine. It will cool the engine down. Just from like the force of you moving, forcing air in there. If you're worried about water getting into it, you could just go and maybe put like a deflector or something there. I'm not really worried about it because I'm buying the ABS cover that didn't come on mine, and I pretty much should be able to hide most of it. And if I have to, I'll modify that. I want to make a shield almost and just force everything down that goes in. So like I said, that's how it looks. Looks absolutely awesome. Couldn't be happier. Big thanks to Speedlogics for going and getting me the stuff as quick as they did. Great price, super fast shipping and everything. Couldn't be happier. And like I said, a huge thanks to Mr. Todd Merrick. It looks absolutely awesome. I can't wait to go out and drive around, take her to shows and stuff, because a lot of people don't know about those, but a ton of people recommended me highly. So like I said, it was definitely worth a little bit of extra money to go get them custom painted because they look absolutely awesome. Like I said, huge thanks to Todd Merrick. Go check him out at Merrick Motorsports. He couldn't be a nicer guy. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Later.